Sam, what would happen if you never threw anything away?
Nonsense, Susan! Then there'd be no space to live!
Exactly. Why do you keep all this junk?
What junk?
That's from the closet again. Look, it's all dusty and old.
Oh, I can't throw them away. Each one is dear to me as a memory.
What if we sort it out and keep only the dearest ones?
I suppose I could do that.
Hey guys, today we'll be getting rid of the clutter and make a cool lamp out of the rest of the old toys.
And give a thumbs up if you think Sue is a control freak! Ugh!
Hey, I'll just throw everything away.
No. You are kind and fair.
That's right. I have this old lamp, and we'll be using it for the project. First, let's take off the lampshade.
Is there candy inside?
Craft first, candy later.
Oh.
Let's start with this toy car. I've seen you using it. Never.
Oh, how could you? I've traveled half of Tibidabo on this car.
Okay. Let's get some glue on it. And a little bit here and there, just to be safe. And stick it to the lamp like this. Isn't it too small for you?
I was slimmer back then, and then I fell in love.
With candy?
Yeah.
Let's carry on. Captain America? Trash?
No! He saved my life once!
How exactly?
It was winter. The weather was frightening. Yes, really cold. So freezing cold that your breath turned into icicles if you opened your eyes wide and they froze.
Did the captain warm you up?
What? Yeah, no, he lent me a quarter for candy.
Okay, and how about Iron Man?
Are you crazy? It's Iron Man. You never, ever mess with Iron Man.
Right. Let's glue him on too. Some glue here and here. There. And oh. Huh. He doesn't really stick. Maybe he doesn't want to be part of history. Yeah, that looks good.
I'm tired from all the memories. Candy!
I'll put it right here, and you'll get it when we're done.
Control freak!
What was that now?
Nothing, honey.
Hey guys, do you have favorite toys you can't say goodbye to? Leave a comment below. We're really curious.
Yeah, and she'll glue them to something.
Stop with the grunting. Any memories here?
Not sure. But they're so pretty, I feel bad throwing them away.
Oh, Sam, I'm afraid I don't have a lamp that would fit this all.
Yeah, I'm grunting. This was your idea.
Okay, fine. What's next?
Superhero girl!
And what's her story?
She stays. She taught me Spanish when I first came to Barcelona. So sweet and smart. And she's a girl. Girl power, Sue!
Well, guys, Sam and I glued all the remaining toys on, and now comes the fun part. I'll cover the lamp holder with masking tape so I don't damage it.
Hey, stop right there! My candy!
Oh,
Hold on, sweet cheeks. I'm almost there. Come to Papa! Oh.
there. And now I'll place some paper over the table to protect it too. It's time to spray paint. First, we'll do the white base. Tell me what you want. It's so much easier to use spray paint rather than regular paint. I just have to be careful not to stain anything. And now a top layer of gold paint.
I can help! I have a protective suit. Captain America! Iron Man! Help!
Guys, look how awesome this lamp turned out. You can do the same with your old toys. That's it for today. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of Sam's adventures, subscribe to his channel. Bye!
Adios, amigos.